Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to pass data from siblings in React. As you can see here in this project, in this section I have my sidebar component which is inside sidebar.js file, and this section is my home component which is this home.js file. Now when I click on each item of inside the sidebar, I want to send the state to the home component to make the box bigger, or for example when I click on the small, it should send the small message to the home component to make the box smaller, or even make it circular or rotated. So watch this video until the end to show you how to do this. Okay, let me explain what we have here. Inside my app.js file, I have called two other components, sidebar and home, as I said for this section and this section. And inside my sidebar, I have this callback function. When I click on each of these buttons, this callback function will be called. For example, if I put a console log here, you can see the mode. Let me just show you. As you can see, here is my mode. So when I click on it, I want to get the mode and send it to the home component, which is near the sidebar component. It's a sibling component for sidebar, and I want to change the animate prop to the value of mode, for example big, normal, small, open, or something else. To do this, you can have several options. For example, you can use a state manager like Redux or other state managers. You can also use some libraries to send message between components. You can use context API, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you the simplest solution for this, which is putting the sibling components inside a wrapper, which is the parent component, and then handle the state inside the parent component, and children components just get the state value and they can get a function for changing the state. So here inside my parent component, I'm gonna have, for example, I'm gonna name it selected mode, and a function set selected mode. If you don't know anything about use state hook, I have another video which I completely explain it. You can watch it from the top link and then get back to this one. So here I'm gonna use state, and then the default state should be here. For example, I want to be open, and then inside the sidebar I just want to set the value. I don't need to read it, so I'm just gonna pass this function to the sidebar as a prop. So easily I can pass it here, and to read it I can add it here like this. So here instead of console log, I can call that function and just pass the mode to this. So we did the first part, and now if I click on these items, this function will be called and the state will be the selected item. But inside the home.js file or component, we need to read the current mode value. To do this, just need to use selected mode and send it as a prop to our home file. So let's go inside the home, and here again I can get it in this way and just replace this text with our variable. So if I click on the big button, you can see the message sent to the home component, and home component rendered my animation based on the selected mode. If you want to know how this animation stuff works, please let me know in the comment section. I can create another video about this library to show you about animations and how to do this in React if you are interested. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like and subscribe to my channel in order to get more content and videos like this. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.